How to change your Instagram profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram profile picture in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in a profile section, simply tap on the option labeled as edit profile. And now here on this page you can see the profile picture at the top, and just below that you can see the option labeled as change profile picture. So simply tap on that, and after tapping on that you will see three options. One is to choose from your library, second is to import from Facebook, and third is to simply take a photo. So from here, simply select the option that you prefer. For this video, I'm going to simply tap on choose from library. And now after tapping on here, I simply need to select the image from the library. And once selected, simply tap on the done button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now Instagram will take a few seconds to update your profile picture, and just like that your new profile photo is live. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.